What's good, everybody? This is my 1990 Mazda Miata, and it's pretty fun. While it is fun, the redneck in me just wants to change it up a little bit. Bought myself a beautiful Trans Am or Firebird, mint condition. Damn, Sean. This guy's stanky. Not a whole lot good going on in here. Got this good little Firebird here. We got ourselves a donor motor and transmission for, I think, a Miata. Make a whole lot more sense to put it in a 240, but honestly, I think it'd be hilarious to put in my Miata over there. So, yeah, right now, we're going to try and get this thing off the trailer. It's a little far from mint condition, this thing. So, we got the ka-chow going on. Oh, yeah, it's heavily ka-chowed.
It's the shape of my body.
Dude, it's heavily ka-chowed. So, we're going to try and bead this wheel. And, yeah, try and get this off the trailer. There's a couple good parts. I'm going to try and salvage, like, the taillights, maybe the trunk, maybe the posi rear end and the exhaust. And then everything else, goodbye. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I got hit with so many pieces of spider and dirt. Holy
It's doing it though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that compressor on?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh. Dude, that was fucking like Spider Hiroshima over here. I thought
Spider
you
Hiroshima.
just blew the motherfuckers to bits. It just went, bah! Right. And then there's gotta be so many fucking spiders in that thing, dude. It's about to buzz! Bro, are you sure that compressor's on?
It's
Oh!
Oh, you don't want to know why? It's because we're trying to beat it with a valve stem in.
Oh, yeah, you're right. All right!
Yeah, we got air tire.
Bro, my phone is covered.
I can see one of them.
Damn, son!
2 days in, no shit.
All right, so we're gonna put a jump pack on this good old Firebird. We heard it run when I bought it. It's a little fucking mooshed up, obviously, but we want to get this thing inside the shop and basically drop the entire drivetrain out of the bottom of it. You can see how it's kind of like stuffed in here. So hopefully get this thing off the trailer. I don't care if it comes off in one piece, but as long as the engine's all right. We know the oil pan is cracked. That's how I got this deal. I paid $3,200 for this beautiful specimen.
Oh, there we go. We got light.
All right, let it bang. Yeah, what? Oh, yeah, close that door, back her up, quick. We forgot there's no throttle. Dude, is it in reverse? Yeah? Oh, wait, where are you going? You're backing it up a little bit. That's working. There we go. Wait, stop. Turn your wheel to the left. Like a lot. Like a lot more. Yeah. You're just gonna have to work the clutch because we don't have throttle. It's like a give and take dance here. Back it up a little bit. Put it in reverse, Terry. One wheel's pointed this way. One wheel's pointed that way. I guess try and go back slow. I forgot we didn't have throttle, dude. Yeah, ship it. Straight back. Yes, sir. Stop. The brakes work. All right, good. That's good.
Well, we didn't look at it when we bought it. There's got like 50 pounds of oil pressure on just idle, which is great.
Sick. We didn't look at that.
Dude, I'm bleeding.
Oh, man.
How many times I hit the windshield trying to steer it.
Jeez, grab the bottom of the wheelie, goofball.
Yeah, but then you're like, yank it right!
Oh, shoot. All right, well, now we got to get this sucker inside somehow. Watch your fingers, dude. Just grab the bottom and give it the good old twirl-a-whirl. Keep going. Keep going to the left. Ah, that's probably good enough. What a beautiful specimen. You can see the scene of the crime here. We've got a dripping LS1 into the shop. I picked this car up for $3,200, running and driving with 70,000 miles because it's completely fucked for one, but ended up talking them down because the oil pan is cracked and it's sat for so many years, but still runs. Sounds really good. 50 pounds of oil pressure. So this will make the perfect donor engine and transmission to put into a drift car or a fun car or anything really. I've always wanted an LS1 Jap car just for funnies, and I think a Miata would be hilarious. All right, so I'm trying to get this car on the lift, and it is so twisted up, dude. We're not even close. Like, not even close. So I gotta go back down and put a spacer or something there, because this is sketchy. And just like that, we got the engine out. Everything. Figure goes, what's leaking out? Everything, dude. Every fluid there is. Sick. All right, that wasn't too bad.
I got our transmitted aluminum heads, aluminum block, 5.7, pure American.
Oh boy. All right, so much to do with this little thing right there. This guy, there might be like a couple $100 to be made in parts, but honestly, not a whole hell of a lot. I'm gonna post it up and see if anybody wants parts out of it. Hopefully get some money back, but got a mess to clean up and a whole lot of thinking to do because I gotta put this on a stand or something, but got myself a Tremor T56 in the LS1, baby. Big America. It's more about Chevy. All right, guys, we've got the LS1 and the T56. I got a lot to do to it. It's gonna be a work in progress. Not gonna happen for a little bit. I think it's gonna happen over the winter. Damn, that shit all over me. But let me know what you think. Am I being an idiot by putting it in a Miata, or should I put it in my 240? I've got a Nissan 240 SX with a KA in it. I got everything to KA turbo it. Like, I have the entire kit, the Wiring Specialties harness. I have everything to turbocharge that car and leave it a 4-cylinder. So I'm thinking it'd make more sense to use this for something else. Like, I always wanted a V8 Miata, so I think it'd be cool. Let me know what you think. Am I being an idiot? Should I put it in the 240 and just have like a bulletproof drift car? It's kind of boring, but whatever. It'd be like the best car for drifting, pretty much. Or do I put it in a Miata just simply because it's funny? I mean, I think it's going to be fun. So, leaning towards that. But let me know what you guys think or what I should put it in if it's neither of those cars. I'd like to hear what you think. All right, guys. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.